Peepo was a very bright parrot with feathers of every color. He loved to fly high above the jungle canopy, feeling the warm wind under his wings as he looked for a morning snack. Suddenly, he spotted something wonderful. It was a giant tree tucked away in a secret corner of the forest. Its branches were heavy with big, round, golden mangoes. Peepo landed on a sturdy branch and took a big, juicy bite. He chirped. It was the best mango he had ever tasted. But as he looked at the hundreds of fruits, he felt a little bit lonely. Down on the jungle floor, Django the monkey was searching for something to eat. He looked under leaves and behind stones, but he couldn't find a single bite. His tummy gave a loud rumble. Peepo looked down from his high branch and saw his friend. "Hey, Django," Peepo called out loudly. "Stop searching. Come up here and see what I found." Django scrambled up the trunk as fast as he could. When he reached the top, Peepo pushed a giant golden mango toward him. They sat together, juice dripping down their chins, laughing in the warm sunlight. A few moments later, Baraka the elephant wandered by the tree. She lifted her long trunk and sniffed the air. The sweet, sugary smell of the ripe mangoes was everywhere. "Catch, Baraka!" shouted Peepo. He used his strong beak to pluck the heaviest mango he could find. He hovered over the edge of the branch and dropped the fruit right into Baraka's trunk. Toko the toucan heard all the laughing and cheering. He flew over to see the big celebration. Peepo waved a colorful wing and invited Toko to land on the very best branch of the tree. The jungle was full of happy sounds as the sun began to set. Peepo realized that the mangoes tasted much better when shared with friends. He puffed out his chest, feeling very happy indeed.